Hello, welcome back to MSc class of Standard 5. Children, open your book. Today we will start a new lesson. It's about respect nature. Our Lord has not only created us but every creature on the face of the earth. God has created an arrangement where creatures form a composite ecosystem together. All creatures depend on each other for their survival. We must never try to disturb the ecosystem created by God. We should always have faith in God and be caring of the world created by Him. So, children, as we all know, Lord has created this universe, and each and every creature, either it is small or big, it is created by God only. So, God has created an arrangement of creatures and we all depend on each other. If one is disturbed, then the whole ecosystem will be disturbed. So, we will read a story about the nature, how it is disturbed by a man whose name is Suleiman Chidimar. So, let's start the story. Suleiman Chidimar was a brave and famous hunter. He was known for his superb aim when he shot birds. His friends and neighbors said Chidimar could never miss an aim, even if he fired a shot with his closed eyes. The bullet was sure to hit birds he wanted to kill. So, Suleiman, he is a very famous hunter and shooter, and when he aim on a bird and shoot it, he did not miss it, and all his neighbor also know that his aim is never missed. So among the birds of the forest where he went for hunting, Chidimar was much dreaded character. They generally hated human beings for their reckless behavior and lack of compassion for a world that God created with so much love. But Chidimar was particularly disliked for his cruelty. So, children, when Suleiman went to forest for hunting, he was all the birds were afraid of him and they don't like him. His behavior was very rude and cruel towards the birds. So, God has created all the creatures, but Chidimar was always disliked for his cruelty. Whenever he entered the forest area, some bird would see him from a distance and start making passionate noise to alert all others to hide themselves. But Chidimar still managed to spot his prey and kill it. So, whenever the Suleiman or Chidimar or he entered the forest, if the bird see him from a distant place, they make a sound so that they can alert the other birds to hide themselves. But still, then also Chidimar was able to spot the prey. He shoot a bird and kill it. So, children, up to page number 15, I will teach you today. Next class, we will continue the same lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.